Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make biscuits the easy way. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of very cold unsalted butter, and 3/4 of a cup of cold milk. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Remember, cold butter is key for those wonderfully flaky layers we all love in a perfect biscuit. Now, let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, cut your 6 tablespoons of very cold butter into small cubes and add them to the flour. Use your fingertips or a pastry blender to work the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces remaining. Then, slowly pour in 3/4 of a cup of cold milk, mixing until just combined. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those delicious biscuits. Turn the shaggy dough onto a lightly floured surface. Gently pat it into a rectangle about 1 inch thick. For extra flakiness, fold the dough in half and pat it down again. Repeat this process once more. Then, use a 2-inch biscuit cutter, pressing straight down without twisting, to cut out about 8 to 10 biscuits. Place them on a baking sheet. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your efforts. Place your cut biscuits on an ungreased baking sheet. Bake them in your preheated 425° Fahrenheit oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top and cooked through. Once baked, remove them from the oven and serve warm. They are perfect with a pat of butter, a dollop of jam, or smothered in savory gravy. Enjoy your delicious, homemade biscuits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.